Ghana and to your God to administer justice, we should not be allowing any third parties to come in to influence us. And that is when, if a people feel that they can no longer get justice at the courts, they don't know where to go to when their rights are being violated. Look at what is happening in Iran right now. And that is not, it's a different scenario. Don't let me say that.
Indeed.
You know, I'm totally empathetic to it. But I'm just saying, look at what happened with the Arab Spring. There's so many things happening that with such a fragile economy as we have, you have to take care in balancing, balancing the various arms of governance.
Recently, we've seen a debate about whether these entrance exams into the law school should still remain. We've had leakages of the exam and even some of the law school exams itself. Should the reforms be instituted immediately, considering all of this?
Urgently.
And whether
Urgently, ASAP. They should have been done decades ago. Look, when I came in as Attorney General, even though I had been a Chief State Attorney, I mean, I'd worked at the Ministry of Justice almost all my working life. I was shocked. I was shocked at the archaic nature of our, the archaic regulatory nature of our
the
legal
system,
education. Oh, the Chief Justice, some representatives of retired. I just could not believe what I had walked into. These are the people responsible for molding the young minds of the country. That could not be. I could not believe it. I just could not believe it. And they also, to be fair to them, they didn't understand my angst at all. You know, we were in two different worlds. And it's only now, when the students have become, when they can't take it anymore, the people's frustrations have led us to this, that we have really seen the worst of it come out. And I understand that the two MPs are putting forward a private member's
motion,
bill.
yes.
I haven't seen it yet, but I can tell you that law exams in America, for example, you just go and write exams. Where you learn from has got nothing to do with anybody. After you finish your faculty of law, the faculty of law, you learn the theory, and then you go and write exams. You can write the exams 100 times in one state or the other.
Should the entrance exams be scrapped?
In fact, I was even surprised to find that system.
While you were Attorney General?
While I was Attorney General.
Did you try doing something about that?
I don't think it was there when I was there. I was surprised later on.
When it came up.
When it came up. And I don't want to tread on anybody's integrity here, because I know that people are trying to run a system which benefits Ghanaians. I appreciate what's the thinking of the former Lady Chief Justices about trying to keep the integrity of Ghanaian lawyers. However, I appreciate it. I don't agree with it being done in this way. And I just think that it's time for, it's over time for a real change. There was only one school of law. When I became Attorney General, there had been frantic attempts to open it up. It was during my time that we got 2 other schools of law open. Since then, nothing. Meanwhile, there are 40-something faculties of law, if not more now, in the country. Thousands of young people, despondent, desperate.
And we need more lawyers.
And now, apparently, according to a report or the other, people are being paid Ghana cedis to release report. I couldn't believe it, that this is the law, the lawyers doing this, or law students actually paying to see exam papers. No, there must be, this should convince our our Lordship, the Chief Justice, that something radical must be done, quite different. And actually, the Chief Justice and others